Most wheel balancers sold online are underbuilt junk that fails after the first few uses. Pick wrong, and you're out $200 and end up with a wobble. Sick of fiddling with clamps and uneven tires before every ride? This video breaks down the top 5 options so you can pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best wheel balancer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the XK-988. From unboxing, this tire changer signals a professional audience seeking efficiency through 2 independent mechanical arms that speed tire work. The thickened reinforced structure and universal shovel design contribute stability and confident handling across common tire sizes in daily use. The advanced digital display inflator provides real-time pressure readouts, while an integrated oil mist lubricator supports safer, smoother bead seating. A thickened column air tank delivers rapid inflation with a compact footprint, balancing efficiency and space saving in a busy shop. Equipped with 6 balancing modes and extended 10 to 24-inch wide tire compatibility, this balancer handles diverse wheel configurations with ease. Its patented structural design improves mounting efficiency and reduces bead damage risk during tire installations for daily shop use. In a direct side-by-side with a leading rival, the XK-988 demonstrates notably better bead protection and smoother mounting. The pros include rugged construction, fast setup, and precise balancing, delivering long-term reliability and frustration-free operation every time you work. The cons include higher price compared to lower-tier models and a footprint larger than compact setups, which could challenge smaller shops. In field tests, inflation remains steady, accuracy stays within acceptable tolerances, and the system runs quietly enough to avoid operator fatigue. Maintenance meets a high bar thanks to the lubrication system, while safety features help protect the bead during high-speed inflation. This setup suits pro shops performing heavy tire service and ambitious enthusiasts who routinely handle diverse wheel types. Priced at $2,399, it holds a solid 4.4-star rating from 322 reviews. At number 4, we have the XK-690. From the first glance, this heavy-duty wheel balancer projects a professional, shop-friendly presence aimed at tire shops, garages, and automotive enthusiasts. Its rugged construction and precise balancing capabilities position it squarely for professional tire technicians, independent garages, and high-volume auto service centers. The XK-690 exudes robust build quality with a compact footprint suitable for crowded bays, while its powder-coated finish adds enduring surface protection. Its enclosure presents a balanced silhouette with clean lines, contributing to easy alignment during wheel mounting and wheel handling. Along with mode options, cycle time remains brisk at 6 to 9 seconds on a standard 110-volt supply. Balancing accuracy remains within -1 gram to +1 gram, yielding dependable corrections across a wide array of wheel sizes. The package includes 3 centering cones and a quick-release wing nut, simplifying wheel alignment and fast mounting during busy service. All accessories shown in the pictures accompany the kit, ensuring seamless setup and ongoing compatibility with typical workshop tools. In practical testing, the XK-690 demonstrated reliable, repeatable balancing across multiple wheel types, supporting rapid service without repeating passes. Operator feedback highlighted straightforward setup, clear displays, and minimal downtime during peak shifts, reinforcing the XK-690's practical value in daily service. The ALU 1-3 mode, along with dynamic and static options, expands the XK-690's versatility for varied wheel configurations. This balance of modes and speed translates into practical benefits for technicians running fleets or personal shops, reducing downtime and increasing throughput. In direct comparison to a recognized rival model, the XK-690 offers similar modes and accuracy while providing a more robust powder-coated finish. The pros include rugged build quality, versatile balancing modes, and brisk cycle times that help shops maintain throughput. The cons include a higher price point relative to entry-level balancers and a weighty profile that may challenge. At number 3, we have the DASBET wheel balancer. From the outset, this portable balancer targets do-it-yourself enthusiasts and small garages needing accurate wheel balancing with simple setup. Its dimensions emphasize stability for hub sizes from 1.5 inches to 4 inches, ensuring compatibility with common light wheels. Premium quality is demonstrated by an aluminum finish with rust-resistant enamel, complemented by a machine steel head and plated guide rods. Assembly is straightforward, requiring attaching the shaft to the base with nuts and placing the balancing cone to finish setup. The compact and lightweight design makes this tire machine easy to store and carry for outdoor use during roadside jobs. Designed to balance wheels of most automobiles and light trucks quickly and easily, this unit relies on a bubble level for alignment feedback. The bubble level integrated into the base provides intuitive live feedback during setup, helping ensure true wheel alignment without extensive calibration. Hub capacity supports 1.5-inch to 4-inch hubs, a practical range for most passenger cars and light trucks. In real-world testing, it maintains stable readings across multiple wheel sizes, delivering smooth operation with minimal wobble and consistent bubble alignment. Compared to larger traditional tire balancers, this compact model feels more affordable while sustaining essential precision and convenient portability for daily shop use. The pros include sturdy construction, easy setup, and compact portability. The cons include not being suitable for oversized tires beyond the listed hub range and a relatively limited base footprint. Marketplace data shows price around $54.99 with a strong customer rating indicating satisfaction among buyers. For DIYers upgrading their home workshop, DASBET Portable Bubble Wheel Balancer offers practical efficiency without inflating expectations in everyday use. If you value portability, ease of use, and budget-friendly pricing, this model deserves consideration for everyday wheel balancing tasks. At number 2, we have the XK-New 580-690. This compact dual turntable tire changer and wheel balancer combo targets professional shops and serious DIYers seeking streamlined, all-in-one operation. The XK-New is built with a rugged steel framework and a blue powder-coated finish that resists shop wear. The 580 tire changer supports rim clamping outside 10 to 18 inches and inside 12 to 20 inches. Bead brake force is high, delivered by a pneumatic piston rated between 120 and 145 psi. The machine runs on a standard 110-volt supply and ships with 4 clamp protectors and a steel mount head. On the balancer side, it supports a maximum wheel diameter of 44 inches and up to 155 pounds. Performance features include cycle times between 6 and 9 seconds, dynamic and static modes, and motorcycle mode for specialized bikes. There are 3 centering cones and a quick-release wing nut included, simplifying wheel alignment and fast mounting during busy shop days. Rim clamping supports outside 6 to 15 inches and inside 8 to 17 inches, broadening compatibility across a wide range of rims. Compared directly to the AP Tire Pro X, the XK-New delivers easier bead braking and a noticeably sturdier rim clamping system. The pros include solid build quality, flexible all-in-one operation, fast setup, wide rim compatibility, and reliable bead braking efficiency. The cons include higher price, a noticeably larger footprint, and occasional confusion from beginners during initial setup process. It includes 3 centering cones and a quick-release wing nut, enhancing alignment speed and compatibility across different wheel types. Overall, the XK-New pairing at this price point delivers robust performance and broad rim compatibility for mid-sized shops. At number 1, we have the KATOOL Me-B620. This audience includes professional shop owners and dedicated enthusiasts seeking an all-in-one tire service solution with space efficiency. From the moment you approach, the sturdy cast steel pedal assembly and robust metal chassis communicate durability and long-term reliability. The center auxiliary arm design provides extra space and smoother operation, while the 24-inch turntable enhances compatibility with larger wheels. The compact footprint blends with the heavy build, making it suitable for mid to large shops without sacrificing legroom. Balance accuracy comes from a wide rim range, supporting widths from 1.5 to 20 inches precisely. The built-in fault diagnosis and self-calibration program eliminates memorization of parameter values, delivering 1-gram balancing precision in practice. The mounting head is made from stainless steel solution treated and polished with a plastic cover to protect rims during fitting. In practical tests, the balancer achieved balanced results within 8 to 10 seconds for typical passenger wheels, maintaining consistent symmetry across multiple trials. In shop scenarios, the integrated tire changer and balancer reduce handling time and space consumption, helping technicians finish services faster. Compared to a rival standalone balancer, this integrated design saves space and speeds up workflow. The pros include integrated combo design, wide rim range, and built-in fault diagnosis. The cons include higher price and heavy footprint. Maintenance and serviceability are straightforward thanks to modular components and clear, accessible service points that reduce downtime significantly.